In this video, I will show you how to embed HTML code into Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify account. On the left side menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize. Once you are inside the theme editor, choose where you want to place your HTML. You can add it anywhere, but for this example, I will place it in the header section. Click the section you want to edit, then select Add Section. From the list, scroll down and choose Custom Liquid. On the right side, you will see a box where you can paste your HTML code. Paste your code into the box. As soon as you paste it, Shopify will render it and you will see the result immediately in the preview. If everything looks correct, go to the top right corner and click Save. That's it. Your HTML code is now successfully embedded in your Shopify store. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more guides.